dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing my first wig hair. Inside the box it came with a wig stand. It came with a stocking cap, 2 of them. I have one on my head right now. It also came with 2 alligator clips. It came with bobby pins. It came with a nice pouch where you can store your supplies in. I also have a rat tail comb with a metal end. And this is the packaging that the wig came in, which is amazing. That's great. This is also the information on the card. Okay guys, so the wig that I did get, it's in a Yaki texture. It is 18 inches. The wig came pre-plucked and also bleached already, so I did not have to do anything to this wig at all. And look at this beautiful hairline. I was amazed when I took it out the bag. It is great. Look at that. Inside the wig, it came with 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, and also adjustable straps. I'm gonna put mine on the 3rd strap because I want it to be snugged on my head. Okay guys, I'm here putting on the wig on my head right now. Can you see that luster? Oh my god, the wig is so beautiful. It's giving me that nice wash and set vibe right now, and it's very natural looking. I was so in love with it. Oh my gosh, it's great. It fits me very nice and snug. As you can see, my cap is showing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the cap a little forward. Guys, look at that hairline. It is great. It's amazing. Like I did mention before, the wig did come pre-plucked. If you want to go ahead and pluck it over, that is perfectly fine as well, but in this video I did not do so. This was supposed to be a video just straight out the box, first impressions of this unit and how we're gonna like it for it, because they did say you don't have to do anything to it, just pop it on and go. So let's just see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to cut some of the lace off that's hanging over on my ear. And when I am cutting it, I am not taking off any hair with the lace, as you can see. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this on both sides of my hair. And as you guys can see, there is lace in the back of the unit. I did not cut that on camera, but I did cut it off camera. It's nothing special you have to do. Just cut it straight across with some scissors. Unless you do plan on gluing down your unit, then you can do so. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace into pieces. I did 1 cut in the middle and then 1 on each side. As you can see, it just gives you an easier way to cut your lace instead of just going in one straight line. And when you do cut your lace, you can use your razor or your scissor. I'm gonna use both, and I'm gonna start off with the razor, and I'm gonna do it in a jagged cut, like a zigzag motion. And as you can see guys, I'm cutting this lace not too close, but close enough. But you can see how realistic this hairline looks. It just blends so naturally with my skin. Wow, do you guys see that? Look at that. Look at that. When I tell you I was excited, I'm excited. Look at that. So we're gonna go ahead and do the same process on the other side. Watch that blend though. Look at that blend. Yes. Keep it going. When I tell you guys I love this unit, so like I love this unit. Okay. I'm going to cherish her. Look at that. It looks so good. Alright guys, so you see, as you can see, these two parts right here are the ones that's up. I'm going to use some Got To Be spray only and spray it on both sides just to keep those little two flaps down, and that's all I'm going to do. No glue, no gel, just Got To Be spray, and that's it. Y'all don't laugh at me, but this is like a little technique that I decided to use to keep these down while I tie it down with my silk scarf. I thought this was kind of cool because I couldn't keep it down, and I thought doing it this way might just help a bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it down with my silk scarf. And while I'm doing so, I'm going to curl the hair with a curling wand and flatten out any flyaways that's on the top and the back, on the sides. And with the curling wand, what you want to do is curl downwards and have the hair in a flat angle, if that kind of makes sense. And I'm going to do this all over in my hair. This hair, you guys, it holds the curl very well. I was impressed. Very impressed. So here I'm back. Just gonna do this side right here and curl it, and then we are done so far. Okay, so I did not add any baby hairs to this unit. All I'm going to do is just comb out the edges just to make it soft. I do like that natural hairline look. As you can see right there, there's a little bit of Got To Be spray there. I didn't wipe it off. But yeah, you can easily just wipe it off with a little bit of alcohol or some water. It's not bad. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the sideburns, and that's about it. And I'm going to lay them down with some hair mousse. Okay, so I'm just going to add some sleek stick on my hair just to hold on any flyaways that I may have. And I'm going to take the curling wand to flatten that out. And guys, do you see this hair? Look at it. Oh my gosh. When I tell you I was feeling myself, I was feeling myself. So I'm going to go ahead and take some of my Fit Me Proud powder and put it on my part. And look at that. It's blending very well. Yes. Guys, please tell me what you think of this. It's giving me that beautiful natural hairline, and look at that. I can lift it up. It is all glueless, guys. No gel, no glue, just spray. Ladies, please leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.